we've been in the industry for a long time as such. Yeah. So why Dr. Bubbles? Why this bubble tea concept? So when we went out of India, so we saw this bubble tea craze outside India, which is very, very, very high. आप राइट नाउ कोई भी आउटसाइड इंडिया की वेबसाइट पे या फूड ब्लॉगर के पेज पे आप देखेंगे विच इज द मोस्ट ट्रेंडिंग थिंग, तो दैट इज बबल टी. एंड इंडिया में बबल टी लाने के लिए बहुत लोगों ने ट्राई किया, बट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, द रॉ मटेरियल्स, द सेटअप, द मशीनरीज, जो भी चीजों की जरूरत थी, if you start importing all of that, the costing of setting up an outlet was going too high. So we thought let's make it easier for the Indian people to get bubble tea by launching our own brand with all the machinery, all the raw materials, and giving them a ready setup to launch this basic idea of bubble tea in India as such. Now I'll talk about what is bubble tea. Bubble tea is basically just a drink or an iced tea, a milkshake, and maybe yogurt shake, maybe just a regular iced coffee with these bubbles in them. Why do we say bubble tea? Because initially these were given only with tea option. This was just a black tea or a milk tea with these added black tapioca pearls over it. Yeah. So that is the basic idea of from where we came, what is the idea of bubble tea, and what about the name of Dr. Bubbles? Uh, the Bubbles is the more funky part, the color part, and Doctor is everything we have is very, very health conscious. But it doesn't take anything away from the taste as such. Yeah. So basically, that's with the name also. Now, moving ahead to the next slide. Uh, how did we start Dr. Bubbles? Or we could say, why do we start Dr. Bubbles? We started Dr. Bubbles to see that India के अंदर लोग ये bubble tea का idea accept करते हैं कि नहीं. So we started with 3 different stores in 3 different locations. We started in a mall area, we started in a high street area, and we started in a what do you say, a cow gully, which is an Indian term for in each street. So ये तीनों जगह पे हमने 3 stores चालू किया to see what is the kind of response we are getting, and we saw the response was different in each and every environment. जैसे malls में we are seeing more weekend sales, but the concept was doing very well because mall के अंदर लोग time pass करने के लिए आते हैं. Time pass के अंदर they want something in hand, and they want something funky, they want something new. High street पे again we were doing a lot of weekday business because the weekdays पे afternoons में ज़्यादा business होता है. And the cow gully sections we saw that the weekends and night business जो है, जो late night का business है, that was doing very well. So we learned a lot of the sales in the first year, and then we started doing another back end research of abhi now we've seen that the product is successful. Now let's get the product costing down. So we started manufacturing, warehousing of each and every raw material in India. Even the machines, we reverse engineer all the machines of making the bubbles, mixing the bubble tea drinks. जो नॉर्मली शेकर ड्रिंक्स में बनती है वो एक एक मशीन 3-3 लाख रुपए की आती है. वो मशीन हम लोग ने रिवर्स इंजीनियर करके इंडिया के अंदर इंडिया की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लेसेस से 15,000 रुपीज में हमने बनाई. तो जस्ट टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, दैट इज नॉट ये ऐसी, और उसमें आज 6 से 7 मशीनें लगती है. तो टू गेट अ होल सेटअप फ्रॉम अब्रॉड you are looking at least 50 to 60 lakh rupees worth of only equipment and setup cost. जो हमने पूरा setup cost, जो equipment cost है, we got it down to 2.5 lakh rupees. That's it. तो because of that, एक दूसरा फायदा, एक तो कॉस्ट बेनिफिट है, दूसरा बेनिफिट है कि सब इंडियन इक्विपमेंट है. इसमें कुछ भी पार्ट्स चले जाते हैं इंडिया में किधर भी मिल जाता है. तो यू नॉट डिपेंडेंट कि अभी इंपोर्ट पे डिपेंडेंट हो, या यूर डिपेंडेंट के कोई आएगा बना के जाएगा. ये जितनी भी मशीन है सब लोकली मेड है एंड लोकली रिपेयरेबल है. So we got it in that sense that anyone can take a store of Dr. Bubbles and run the business of the Dr. Bubbles. Now, why Dr. Bubbles? Again, it is a very unique concept. Whenever you start a new concept, whenever you start a new business, सबसे पहले आपको वो देखना है कि वो business का sales होगा कि नहीं. अगर for example 10 दुकानें हैं जो already वो business कर रहे हैं, would you want to jump into the same business? 50-50, बिकॉज अगर 10 दुकानें हैं तो वो मार्केट भी होगा, बट व्हाई वुड यू कम इनटू दैट सेम थिंग विद दैट कट थ्रू कंपटीशन एज सच. या another thing, it is a super profit market. Like hospitality, you've seen hospitality is an amazing market. uh, profit margins are good, and we have made it better because we used everything packaged. हमारे यहाँ पे कुछ भी perishables है नहीं या तो वो हिसाब से it becomes a very 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 profit making kind of a company. Then what we've done, normally bubble tea outside India is a very limited or very hello. Yeah,
Yes,
Ashok,
sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please continue.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah. Uh, then what we did now, when we came in India, we saw we can't enter in India with a very niche market. So we still have the authentic drinks, but we modified it with milkshakes, lassis, iced coffees, and we've taken the concept very broad with the bubbles and the jellies. Normally, you just get the black tapioca pearls, but now we have the jellies, we have aloe vera jellies, we have chocolate chips, and we made it a very आप सबवे जाते हो, आप पहले सैंडविच के लिए आप सैंडविच की जगह पे जाके आप एक सैंडविच चूज कर सकते थे. Now when you go to a place like Subway, you can choose your ingredients, you can choose your toppings, you can choose each and everything as such. So in this again we made it a concept which is for everyone. तो आपका जो prospect है वो भी एकदम broad हो जाता है as such. Another thing would you want a brand which is a very new brand जिसके साथ में आपने combine किया, or you want a concept which is already opened about 45 to 50 outlets in India. We've won about 4 awards in the last 2 years because of our reverse engineering, concept innovation. Another thing is we keep on innovating. हमारा एक ही concept अटका हुआ नहीं है. Like you must be seeing कि बहुत सारे QSR brands है जिनका एक concept ही रहता है, उसके ऊपर वो ज्यादा innovate करते नहीं है. उनको बोलते हैं कि हम यही इनोवेट करेंगे. But what we do is we go on adding more concepts. So when we go on adding more concepts, customers के लिए कुछ ना कुछ रहता ही है. Another thing, we give a FOFO concept. FOFO concept is franchise owned and franchise operated. A lot of people don't like this, but what I say is if you have a concept जिसमें आपका interaction with the backend is zero, मतलब we have everything SOP based, 3-step procedure, fully machine based concept. So why do you want the company to run it when you can easily operate it by your own? When you do that, you have full control over your staff, you have full control over your money, you have full control over the whole profit and loss of the company. You're not dependent on the brand. You're dependent on the brand only and only for the back-end support. That's it. And in that, we have a full back-end team, supply team, operations team to help you and guide you perfectly. Another thing is staff. A lot of people say कि हम brand के साथ में क्यों combine कर रहे हैं, because हमारे को staff मिल जाएगा. In this concept, you do not require skilled people. You can hire freshers, people who never worked in their life, never worked in this industry. You can train them in 1 to 2 days max to do the whole concept. Why? How is that possible? That is possible by the machines we are using, by the concept. इसमें कोई भी ऐसा है नहीं कि for example मैं एक ड्रिंक बनाऊंगा और आप एक ड्रिंक बनाएंगे, दोनों वही ड्रिंक बना के सेम ही निकलेगी. इट्स नॉट लाइक बिरयानी और इट्स नॉट लाइक ऑथेंटिक इंडियन डिश के हर हाथ का टेस्ट अलग होता है, बिकॉज हियर एवरीथिंग इज मशीन मेड एज सच. Now we'll talk about the shop. We require, people take big cafes of 400 square feet and 600 square feet and 1000 square feet. We say आप 150 से 250 फुट की दुकान लीजिए. इसमें फायदे क्या है? आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट पहली बात तो स्मॉल होएगा. अगर आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट कम है तो आपका रिटर्न फास्टर रहेगा. Another thing, छोटी दुकान इज इजियर टू ऑपरेट. आप 1 से 2 स्टाफ के अंदर पूरी दुकान ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं इजिली. तो उसमें फायदा क्या हो जाता है कि व्हेन देयर इज मोर रश, यू कैन स्टिल ऑपरेट एंड आपके कॉस्टिंग भी उसके अंदर कम रहते हैं. बिकॉज इन सेंस आप देखेंगे शॉप को क्लीनिंग इजी होएगा, एसी यूज कम होएगा, in terms of controlling the kitchen area, everything becomes easier when it's a smaller shop as such. Creating an ambience, this is something which is very important. Would you go to a place where the place is empty? Now if it's just 1000 square feet place and there are just 2 tables, the place will always look empty. 2 tables full, that is what I mean. But if it's just 200 square feet place जिसमें 4 ही टेबल और 2 टेबल भरे हुए हैं, you would want to jump into the place that no one else takes that place as such. So creating an ambience in a smaller place becomes very easy. Another thing, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला, staff control. Third thing, stock control. इसमें taking care of all the consumables becomes very easy. Taking care of the garbage becomes easy. Taking care of the straws becomes very easy. So in sense, the consumables and the raw materials control becomes very easy. Nothing less of rent. First मैंने आपको बोला जो आपका initial investment है, and rent is your fixed cost. तो आपका again fixed cost कम होएगा, तो आपका in turns profit level आपका fast होएगा. तो आपका return on investment will be faster if the shop is smaller. And our product is not more than a 2 to 3 minute turnaround kind of a product. So in sense, it becomes a waste to have a bigger cafe because you want to have more turnaround. Like for example, coffee है, आदमी टेबल पे बैठ गया तो मिनिमम 15 से 20 मिनट बैठा हुआ ही रहेगा. उसकी वजह से आपका जो आप टर्न अराउंड कर सकते थे वो रुक गया है. तो if you have more of a takeaway kind of a place, your turnaround will be faster as such, and you will be able to do more billing than you would be able to do in a cafe kind of place. Now this is the basic idea of what our USPs. So first, most of our outlets are designed like a lab, like a laboratory, because the making of the drinks is like an experiment. You're choosing 5-6 different things. It looks like a chemical reaction which is going on. Again, with the drinks, आप बोलेंगे खाली drinks ही है क्या? We talk about the drinks because that is our USP. But we have added waffles, we have added pancakes, we have added nachos, we have added pizzas. Then recently we even added burgers. So it's like a burger and a bubble tea kind of a combo as such. Again, all our drinks, all our milk tea, all our shakes have a combination of 20 flavors, which can be combined with another 20 flavors of toppings. Another thing, it is pure and pure veg. All our drinks, all our food, everything is pure veg, and it is freshly handmade to order. Another thing, we also have an option of non-dairy cream. As in India, not a lot of people are serving milkshakes and yogurts with a non-dairy option. बोलने के लिए बहुत छोटी चीज लगती है नॉन डेयरी, बहुत लोग के लिए नवी भी चीज है, बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट इन इंडिया. लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट मतलब दूध से उनका पेट खराब हो जाता है, इसलिए वो दूध अवॉइड करते हैं. बट अब मैं अगर उनको एक दूध दूं या मिल्क शेक दूं जिसके अंदर देयर इज नो लैक्टोज, तो इट बिकम्स इजी टू डाइजेस्ट फॉर देम, एंड फॉर देम इट इज लाइक हमने आज तक कभी ऐसा देखा ही नहीं है. तो टू get that niche market, we even launched options with non-dairy creamers. Yeah. These are some of our franchisees, some of our awards. I will be putting this presentation on mail. जो भी अपना email ID आप डालेंगे उसके ऊपर मैं आपको एक पूरा presentation, mail, financial model, I will be putting all of this again on mail, so you all can again go through it in the night आराम से. And my personal number will be there on every page. You can again connect with me, with questions. Now this is one of the main questions everyone asks me कि brand का क्या support होगा. हमने फ्रेंचाइजी तो ले ली, फ्रेंचाइजी पे भी कर दी, ब्रांड क्या सपोर्ट करेगा? बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु एंटर दिस सेगमेंट थ्रू अ फ्रेंचाइज आर new people, they are not from this industry, and that is the only reason they take this the franchise. So सबसे पहले is the look, feel and design of the concept. Coming in and just open, आपके प्रोडक्ट कितना भी अच्छा हो, पर अगर आप उसको लुक एंड फील करके आप बेच नहीं सकते, तो it is not a guaranteed success के आप it will be a hit as such. So designing will be our forte. We will design everything from your shop, your interiors, your marketing material, your menus, everything. We have a design team for everything. We have a head office in Mumbai जिसके हमारे पास in-house ग्राफिक डिजाइनर से लेके इंटीरियर डिजाइनर सब हमारे इन हाउस है. Another thing, ट्रेनिंग. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, जो आपका स्टाफ होएगा उनको हम बेसिक ट्रेनिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ one-on-one ट्रेनिंग भी देंगे, एंड वी विल गिव देम ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग सेशंस टू कीप देम ब्रश्ड अप ऑलवेज. So it does not matter that if you are in Kanyakumari or you are in Punjab or you are in Imphal, which is in East India, we can always brush up training whenever required as such, yeah, through training sessions and through the basic brush ups we keep on sending by mail as such. Another thing, social media marketing. सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग बहुत लोग हल्के में लेते हैं या बहुत लोग लाइटली लेते हैं, बट इट इज वन ऑफ आवर मेजर वेज ऑफ मार्केटिंग. राइट नाउ यू सी आवर टारगेट ऑडियंस इज फ्रॉम 15 to 30. जो जो हमारा कस्टमर बेस है, हम टारगेट करते हैं 15 से 30.
Yes, Mr. Adnan. Hello. Mr. Adnan, please, आपकी तरफ से नेटवर्क एरर आ रहा है. Dear participants, Mr. Adnan Sarkar will join us in next 2 minutes. Sorry for delay. Dear participants, Mr. Adnan Sarkar will join us in next 2 minutes. Please stay with us. Thanks to all.
Hi guys, really sorry for that. मेरा इंटरनेट थोड़ा डाउन हो गया था. Just reconnected right now. I'm really sorry for that. Just going back online. Yeah. So we had brand support. We were, I think, so it's social media marketing. I hope everyone's there. I'm really sorry for the interruption. Let's get back with it. Yeah, the social media marketing. Like I told, our target audience is exactly the kind of people we are looking at, 15 to 30 ka bracket. So that's the way we do it. Social media, we even boost. We have collaborated with a lot of influencers जो हमारी प्रोडक्ट को पुश भी करते हैं. We do a lot of hype creation. जैसे हम for example कोई नवा franchise launch कर रहे हैं in a new city, we will try to hype the concept before we launch over there, and that we do through videos and posts and other websites doing posts on bubble tea as such. So we do this all through social media marketing. So people think that social media marketing is free. Nothing is free if you want to do it in a right way. So we spend a lot of money in the social media marketing. It helps us a lot, and we do that for each and every franchise of us. So एक तो हम जो general social media marketing करते हैं वो, and another thing is if there's a launch, if there's a new product launch, or if they are coming up with new offers, we always push it with our backend marketing. Yeah. Another thing, backend support. Backend support, like how I told you, you are not at all dependent on the franchise. We will give you the raw material, we will give you the machines. एक time आपकी shop में सब है. You are not at all dependent on anyone. So in sense, you are totally independent on yourself in terms of you have the product. You don't have to go to the market. You don't have to go to any other person to make anything. You are totally ready to serve the product जब तक आपके पास raw materials. Another thing, our raw materials are not perishable. All the raw materials we have are with a shelf life of 6 months to 1.5 years. तो आई हैव फ्रेंचाइजी जिनको घड़ी घड़ी माल नहीं मंगाना होता है, वो 2-3 महीने का माल स्टॉक करके रखते हैं. फॉर देम इट इज लाइक जस्ट ओपनिंग अ शॉप एवरी डे एंड क्लोजिंग द शॉप डाउन. So they do not have to go to the market, order this, order that every day. दूध खत्म हो गया, ये खत्म हो गया. कुछ नहीं करना है, उनको खाली अपनी शॉप खोलनी है और शॉप बंद करनी है एंड बिजनेस करना है. Another thing, we even give events का support. Like for example, there are a lot of franchisees who are very motivated कि they want to earn more. खाली ये शॉप की इनकम उनके लिए इनफ नहीं है. तो we then show them more avenues, like आप why don't you do exhibitions, why don't you do birthday parties, why don't you do marriages, and we will also spoon feed you and handhold you through that whole event in terms of how do you do such events as such. Yeah, how do you make money through other avenues. Another thing, pan India marketing, जो मैंने आपको बताया, we do offline marketing also, we do pamphlet marketing also. And another thing is new innovations. How do we launch our innovations? Like you see all the concepts we have, like American waffles, waffle nachos, pizza waffles, all these concepts are very new. So हम slowly roll out करते. First we roll out in our main city, which is Mumbai. Then we invite all our franchisees to come and try it, and we tell them कि हमने last 3 महीने में ये product के साथ में ये figures किए हैं, and then we share it with our franchisee, and then they can slowly one by one start putting it in their outlets also. Because क्या होता है ना, every जगह has their own different taste as such, not एक flavor जो बॉम्बे में चल गया वो मे बी चेन्नई में नहीं चलेगा, जो चेन्नई में चला है वो मे बी दिल्ली में नहीं चलेगा. So every location has their different taste buds as such, and that is what other brands fail to accept कि हर लोगों का हर section of India का अलग थोड़ा सा different taste है, which you have to modify, or you have to cater to those tastes by giving them different kind of products as such है. जैसे हमने बताया हमारे USPs, all our machines are Indian made, all our raw materials are Indian made, everything we give it Indian made, and they're not available in the market. They are made by us and made for you only. As such. Our presence, we had initially started with 1 store, then 3 stores. At 2018, we were at about 50 stores. Now, how to get ROI faster? People, Vishnuji, you raised your hand. We will take question and answers after the presentation, because if you just मेरा link टूट जाता है, तो maybe after the presentation we can take more questions as such. Talking about how to get ROI faster, like everyone, this is for people who've already become my franchisees. Okay, एक तो मैंने आपको बताया शॉप से कितनी इनकम होगी. This I will give you through my financial model जो मैं आपको मेल में भेजूंगा. But I will just give you a basic gist कि ROI हमारे ब्रांड से आपको कैसे फास्ट मिल सकता है देन अदर ब्रांड्स. एक तो स्टाफ कंट्रोल, हर ब्रांड में आप देखेंगे 60 से 8 तो खाली एम्प्लॉइज होता है. हमारे पास फ्रेंचाइजीज है जो franchisees who are very involved in the thing, they can run the store just with 2 staffs also, and in stock control, because it is all not perishable, everything is packaged. तो इसमें आपको कुछ वेस्टेज नहीं है, स्टोर करके आप रख दीजिए, घड़ी घड़ी कुछ मंगाना नहीं है, कुछ खराब नहीं हो रहा है, पिल्फरेज नहीं है, तो स्टॉक कंट्रोल becomes very easy. Another thing, you can concentrate more on guest relations than कि मेरा स्टाफ क्या कर रहा है, मेरे पास माल कितना है. So it helps you make a better relation with the customer. Another thing, what is mainly required to get a ROI faster is 100% from the franchisee. अभी franchisee interest नहीं दिखा रहा है concept में, तो automatically staff will also go less on interest. उनका जो motivation level है वो कम हो जाता है. तो automatically अगर 100% नहीं रहता तो sales do suffer. Another thing is social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Locally also जो आपको शॉप में बैठ के थोड़ा बहुत कनेक्शन करना पड़ता है, in terms of you send me a little customer के photographs, we will do some offers in which we'll try to connect them. Third is, which is actually people ignore and it is very big money, are the events. For example, I know कि हम मैरिजेस के अंदर हमारी कभी कभी बिलिंग 1.5-2 लाख रुपए जो डे होती है, जब भी मेरी शॉप की पूरे महीने की सेल 6 से 7 लाख रुपए की होती है. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैंने 3 इवेंट्स कर लिए थे, 4 इवेंट्स मैंने महीने के कर लिए, तो मैं शॉप में जितना कमाता था मैं उतना ही सेम इवेंट्स में कमा सकता हूँ. दैट इज इवेंट्स, बर्थडे पार्टीज, किटी पार्टीज, कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स, मैरिजेस, फंक्शंस. तो या मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Like if you see waffles, you must be seeing in India these Belgian waffles or these, cone-shaped waffles are very in right now, and everyone is doing that. But we started our own waffles, जो अमेरिकन वेराइटी है, जो अमेरिकन वॉफल्स है, आप देखेंगे स्क्वायर वॉफल्स है, वेरी क्रिस्पी ऑन द आउटसाइड, वी डोंट सैंडविच इट एंड इट्स रियली सॉफ्ट ऑन द इनसाइड। तो बनता सेम ही वे में है, बट जो एंड रिजल्ट है वो टोटली डिफरेंट है सच। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ समवन लाइक्स अ वॉफल इन आवर प्लेस, उसके पास और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेल्जियन वॉफल, वाटर वॉफल, ऐसे 10 और ब्रांड है जो एक ही चीज बेच रहे हैं, बट हमारे जो टाइप का वॉफल है वो आपको किधर भी नहीं मिलेगा ना। आप सेंटर में भी देखेंगे तो देयर द बिग कोन काइंड ऑफ थिंग, वी कॉल इट द बबल वॉफल। उसका कोन भी देखेंगे विच इज वेरी सॉफ्ट, इज मेड ऑफ दीज बिग दो बबल्स, एंड उसके अंदर वी पुट आइसक्रीम एंड वी मेक इट लाइक अ वेरी फ्री काइंड ऑफ अ waffle which 3 to 4 people easily can eat as such. Another thing is our pancakes also there. Now we'll talk about the bubble teas. Bubble tea का हमारा USPs क्या है? तो the ingredients we use are all naturally sourced. The tapioca, जो for example जो main tapioca is actually sabudana in Indian terms. Tapioca is black sabudana. We can get it made in India, but जो ये मेन रॉ मटेरियल हम क्यों इंपोर्ट करते हैं? क्यों उसका टेस्ट एग्जैक्टली जो इंटरनेशनली होता है वही मिलता है। तो वी लोकलाइज वॉट एवर वी फील इज नेसेसरी, बट लोकलाइजेशन इतना भी नहीं कर देना चाहिए कि वो कॉन्सेप्ट का टेस्ट लुक फील ही टोटली चेंज हो जाए। तो जो मेन रॉ मटेरियल्स है, जो बबल्स है, वो हम आज भी इंपोर्ट करते हैं, बट द फ्रूट फ्लेवर जो है वो हम इंडिया में बनाते हैं एंड दे आर मेड टू सूट द इंडियन टेस्ट बड्स। तो वो जो हमारा यूएसपी है, दैट टेस्ट एग्जैक्टली लाइक एन इंटरनेशनल ड्रिंक, बट इट मोस्टली जो उसके रॉ मटेरियल्स है आर ऑल मेड इन इंडिया सच। लाइक यू सी नाउ, जे गिव यू, आप ये फोटो देखेंगे तो द सेंटर वन इज द मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक बबल टी व्हिच यू गेट। इट इज मेड फ्रॉम अ रूट ऑफ अ प्लांट कॉल्ड टारो। तो इट्स अ पर्पल ड्रिंक, इट्स वेरी हैवी ड्रिंक, एंड उसके ऊपर जो आप बबल्स देखेंगे दे आर दीस टैपियोका बबल्स, व्हिच इज अगेन अ वेरी authentic thing. But now we modified it into these popping bubbles. They look like these pearls, but they are syrup bubbles which go and burst in your mouth. So that feeling of bursting of these things is very different. Another thing, we have the jellies. The jellies are like chewy jellies. They're made from coconut and India के अंदर jellies आप जब भी बोलेंगे they're made from gelatin. Gelatin आदमी के दिमाग में आता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली आदमी सोचता है कि मे बी नॉन वेज होएगा। तो we started making these jellies with coconut only. Now these are some of our products. Now we've added more products now, like burgers and all, but we'll see. We have iced teas, we have milkshakes, we have cappuccinos. Like you see in India, we can't just be serving cold drinks, we have to serve hot drinks also. And our cappuccinos is not that button wali machine. We have a proper brewing machine which will make cappuccinos like a cafe coffee day types, or maybe Starbucks level. Then we have the bubble waffle, we have the iced coffees, we have yogurt shakes. Yogurt shakes is our lassis. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडिया के अंदर लस्सी कितने फ्लेवर में होती है? 3 फ्लेवर में, मैंगो, केसर और रेगुलर, बट वी हैव कंबाइंड इट इनटू 20 फ्लेवर्स ऑफ लस्सी. देन वी हैव द स्क्वायर वॉफल्स एंड वी हैव द होल हॉट चाय मेन्यू, बिकॉज जो चाय ड्रिंकर है उनको आप कभी भी कैपुचिनो नहीं पिला सकते. जो कैपुचिनो ड्रिंकर है उसको कभी आप चाय नहीं पिला सकते. चाय में भी हमारे पास अदरक चाय, कड़क चाय, लेमन ग्रास चाय एंड ईरानी चाय, ये चारों चाय के ऑप्शन हमारे पास है. Then उसके साथ में we added some international concepts like mocha tea, cappuccino, Taiwanese taro. Then something which is very trending right now is matcha. So we're using Japanese matcha and making it into coffee. These are for the people who traveled or the people who want to try something new. Menu is very extensive, so I won't be going through the menu right now, but I'll be sending it to you on mail so you can go through it. Now I'll talk one by one concept, one by one जो हमारा product है, one by one I'll give you an explanation of how it is different than what is being offered in the market. Let's talk about our bubble tea. So इंडिया में हम जब आइस टीज लेके आए तभी हमने देखा इंडिया में जो ब्लैक टी का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो इतना हिट नहीं है. लोग जो ब्लैक टी पीते हैं वो मैच्योर ऑडियंस ही पीता है. जो इसीलिए आप देखेंगे लिप्टन आइस टी और ये आइस टी और वो आइस टी जब इंडिया में आई वो इतनी हिट नहीं हो पाई. बट जब भी हम रिसर्च कर रहे थे वी सॉ जो यंगर ऑडियंस है उसमें ग्रीन टी बहुत हिट हो गया बिकॉज द हेल्दी कॉन्सेप्ट. तो वी वर द फर्स्ट पीपल इन इंडिया टू मेक दीज आइस टीज विद ग्रीन टी रादर देन ब्लैक टी. अगेन वी यूज फ्रेश ग्रीन टी एंड ब्रू इट एंड राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कस्टमर. तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि कोई पाउडर्ड ग्रीन टी या कुछ ऐसा दे रहे. फ्रेश ग्रीन टी लीफ से हम आपकी ग्रीन टी बनाते हैं एंड देन वी ऐड फ्लेवर्स and bubbles and make it a nice refreshment kind of a drink. So it is fully natural, full of antioxidants, and it is a perfect healthy refreshment as such. But it won't थोड़ा भी feel like a, you know, वो जो concept रहता है of healthy, वैसा नहीं. It will be tasty and it will be healthy at the same time, and added with your choice of toppings. Another thing, iced coffee, like again black coffee के साथ आप कुछ भी combine नहीं कर सकते. आप कितना भी शक्कर डाल दो उसमें, आप कुछ भी उसमें डाल दो, ब्लैक कॉफी के साथ में आप कुछ भी कंबाइन नहीं कर सकते. तो अगेन वी स्टार्ट ब्रूइंग कॉफी विद ग्रीन कॉफी, एंड ग्रीन कॉफी के फायदे ये है कि ग्रीन कॉफी हैज जीरो कैफीन and it is of zero bitterness, so you can add and play with it a lot. So then we add flavors in it, tastes exactly like coffee but उसमें zero bitterness होता है. Again it उसकी smell is also exactly like coffee. Then we add these jellies, bubbles. So again, we were the first people in India to start brewing coffee with freshly brewed green coffee. Nothing shakes. Shakes तो इंडिया में सभी बनाते हैं, बट हमारे शेक्स का फायदा क्या है कि they are rich and creamy, taste exactly like an ice cream shake, but they are lactose free, allergy free, and low on calories. Like for example, if you take a regular ice cream shake, it will be about 300 calories, but this shake, which tastes exactly like that ice cream shake, will be about 60 to 65 calories only. Again, you can add and subtract your toppings and jellies and chocolate chips. You can always play around with that in this. Again, the lassis. Again, our lassis are made with a probiotic base. We don't use actual dahi in making it. It's a concentrated powder of the probiotic concept of, you get these small bottles of Yakult. So which is actually very good for your system. People say कि acidity के लिए मैं ये गोली ले रहा हूँ या मेरा पेट खराब है मैं ये दवा ले रहा हूँ. But if you have a probiotic base going in your system every day, you do not need anything for digestion. So it's actually a very healthy, digestive, but very tasty, kind of a drink, but it tastes exactly like a thick lassi जो आप normally पीते हैं. Again, it can be combined with jellies and whatever, options. Then the bubble waffle, which I told you, it's made out of these soft bubbles, and it's made into a cone in which we put ice creams and Kit Kats and M&Ms, and we make like a freak Sunday. Right now, this is our most trending product. इसकी जितने फोटोग्राफ्स मेरे फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पे है, मेरे कोई ड्रिंक्स के भी नहीं है. तो राइट नाउ कपल जाते हैं एंड व्हेन दे सी दिस, ये फोटोग्राफ्स में थोड़ा छोटा दिख रहा है, but in reality it's quite big as such. Yeah. Our American waffles, like I told you, really, really crispy on the outside, soft from the inside. It's like a combination of a cake, a brownie, and a waffle all together. And uske upar then we give all these different Belgian chocolate toppings, red velvet toppings, all the regular like caramel toppings. We just recently started a new Biscoff flavor. So we keep on adding more flavors in this also. So we don't want people just to come for the drinks. When they come in for the drinks, we want them to get something eatables also. Again, these waffle nachos, this is our creation and such. They are made out of sweet waffle nacho chips. So it's not actually made from corn, it is made from the same batter we use to make the waffles. So it actually looks like nachos, it actually looks like chips, but they are sweet, and if you dip it into the ice cream, so normally एक ice cream आप लेंगे तो एक ही person खा सकता है, but this is the same amount which will cost you for an ice cream about 100 rupees, and this is something which 10 people can share to have it. Like sometimes people really don't. जो आइसक्रीम का मजा होता है पहले 3-4 बाइट में ही होता है, उसके बाद लोग खाली खत्म करने के लिए खत्म करते हैं उसको, फेंक तो सकते नहीं है. बट इसमें क्या फायदा है, बिकॉज इट इज ऑल सेपरेट, यू कैन डिप इट एंड यू कैन हैव इट एंड यू डोंट नीड टू शेयर इट ऑल्सो, जो आपका पीस है, एंड यू कैन स्टिल शेयर इट इन 10 people as such. So it becomes like a communal kind of a ice cream as such. So this concept of sharing really works. Because you're not actually, आप झूठा नहीं खा रहे हो, आप अपनी चिप आपके हाथ में है एंड यू जस्ट टेकन अ स्कूप ऑफ आइसक्रीम एंड आपका टेस्ट बड्स भी पूरे हो जाते हैं उसके अंदर. अगर पैनकेक्स, नॉर्मली यू सी पैनकेक, दे आर रियली बिग, वेरी डोई. पैनकेक इज समथिंग जो आपने अगर बचपन से खाया रहेगा तो आपके टेस्ट बड्स में बैठ जाता है. बट सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज, इंडिया में हमने देखा है लोगों को टॉपिंग्स या मलाई या चॉकलेट ज्यादा पसंद है, तो इसमें आप देखेंगे तो जो डो और टॉपिंग्स का प्रोपोर्शन है, toppings is more than the dough as such. So we made it really bite sized, and then we add more toppings over it as such. So people, they like the concept of it being bite sized rather than such a big thing as such. So that's why we call them bubble pancake, because they're small and look like bubbles. Then the full hot chai menu, the hot coffee menu. Like if you go to see in where we are from Mumbai, so it's always hot over here. But you go to Delhi, you go to North India, you go to East India, there will be months where it's going to be freezing. So there we won't, expect के तभी हमारी लस्सी या तभी हमारी bubble tea बिकेगी. So that time we combine our waffles and with hot coffee and hot chai. So we shift our audience to the hotter menu from the colder menu. So you're not stuck with no business on those months also. Yeah. Again, this is a new innovation from us. It's actually a waffle made out of potatoes rather than, atta. So it's a combination of French fries, waffles, and a pizza. So it's savory. Like people ask, कि आपके brand में कुछ savory है कि नहीं, कोई खारी चीज है कि नहीं. So we started this own item of our end from potato waffles. Again, we have 6-7 flavors in that. So they really work in that sense. People जिनको ज्यादा मीठा नहीं खाना है वो ये ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं. Another very simple concept is ice cream burgers. It's a very easy concept to do. I don't know why no one's done it till now. It's a concept which really works in some of our outlets. People बचपन में बहुत ये टूटी फूटी buns खाए. उसके अंदर we add the same items that we have like ice cream and our toppings and cornflakes, and we make it a nice sweet crunchy kind of a burger, but it's not savory, it's sweet. So our ice cream burgers also really do well. Now we'll talk about our toppings. This is our main topping, which is जो bubble tea को define करता है, tapioca. Now this tapioca जो चीज है वो इंडिया में किधर भी नहीं मिलती है, so that's why we have to import it, and we are the only people in India who are importing this. Again, it's not to everyone taste. It's a very bland product. It tastes exactly like sabudana only. It's in sense tasteless. So it's a heavy drink, but people who like this, they sometimes skip lunch for this. It's a very high in carb drink. So people who've traveled a lot literally will search on Google के where you'll get a tapioca or a bubble tea, and they come to our brand even not hearing of a brand ever. अब वो खाली bubble tea ढूंढ के हमारे पास इंडिया में आते हैं. Like other toppings, chocolate chips, fruit jellies, जो जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था, they're made from coconut. They're not made from gelatin, but they will taste exactly like the flavor you asked. For example, आपने mango jelly मांगी है, so they will not taste like coconut. They taste exactly like mango, or the strawberry will taste exactly like strawberry. Popping bubbles. This is one of the things which we did not expect कि इंडिया में इतना hit हो जाएगा. It was an experiment from our side. So these are actually syrup-based bubbles. ऊपर का जो layer है, which is made out of the same syrup, it's made in a machine, जिसके थ्रू वो बबल जब भी पास होता है ऊपर से लेयर बन जाता है. तो these are actually syrup-filled water balloons जैसा है. As soon as they go through your straw, they will burst. How do you pair it with your drink? You pair it with another flavor. So for example, you've taken a strawberry drink with a kiwi bubble. तो strawberry पीते पीते अचानक से आपको kiwi का hit आएगा, and that thing of the flavors not mixing and coming very different. So that the concept and that feeling is very different. So people are really liking this concept over here. Now we'll show you some pics from Dr. Bubbles. If you see in most of the stores, it's just like a takeaway, and we have these photo op areas where people want to come take photographs. So we have this pink Vespa in 4-5 of our stores. This is one of the stores in Surat, one of the stores in Mumbai. Here are some of our reviews. Most of our reviews are all good. Some of the reviews which are bad is sometimes because people don't understand the product. They want something and they've taken something. So this is a concept where some people get it right the first time. Because the menu is so wide, it is sometimes easy to get your drink also wrong. So that is why we get some negative reviews, but those people we've always converted to good reviews also. So उनको हम कभी भी हम बोलते हैं कि maybe you didn't like the concept because you took the wrong item as such. So we will always push that customer, why don't you come and we will suggest you a good drink now जो आपके टेस्ट से साथ में आप ले सकते हैं. So yeah, that's the basic presentation. Now we'll talk about the investment. So basically we are talking about a 15 to 16 lakh rupees investment in terms of the full concept. Now this includes your franchise fees of about 5 lakh rupees. This includes 3.5 lakh rupees worth of your equipment. This worth and this will also include your 1 month worth of stock, which will cost you around 2.5 lakh rupees. Mostly people when they say investment के अंदर उन लोग जो है ना डेली कॉस्ट नहीं पकड़ते, तो आपको इनिशियल जो स्टॉक है वो भी नहीं देंगे. But we are saying nahi, because we want, a lot of people who are going to invest with us, this is the max amount they can invest. So we want them कि जैसे वो invest करते हैं, that is the last money they put with us. उसके बाद they should keep on getting rolling with that same money. So that's why we include the opening stock or the 1 month worth of stock also in that, the 15 to 16 lakh rupees, and the rest of the 5-6 lakh rupees जो बचता है वो interiors में जो carpentry, painting, signages है, जो आपका furniture है उसमें लग जाता है. And we will be sending you a whole, a detailed financial report of each and everything. I will be sending you a financial plan जिसमें आपका पैसा कैसे लगेगा, आपका पैसा का रिटर्न कैसे मिलेगा, आपका इन टर्म्स टोटल रिकवरी इन 5 years कैसे होगी, आपका आरओआई कैसे आएगा फॉर एग्जांपल, एंड इट विल बी ऑल फॉर्मूला बेस्ड. तो इन दैट एक्सेल शीट यू कैन चेंज एनीथिंग, एंड वो चेंज के हिसाब से एग्जैक्टली वो ऊपर नीचे आपको फिगर्स भी कर देगा. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने सेल्स पकड़ा है 6 लाख रुपीज, बट आपको पकड़ना है 3 लाख रुपीज. अब 3 lakhs के साथ में, because it's all formula based, you can keep on changing everything, all the variables, and you will exactly come to your figure ki what you think you can earn. What we think you can earn, we have put it into that statement and we will send it to you. Okay, yeah, so this is the end of our presentation. What I would take right now is questions from you all, and what I could do is, if everyone puts their email IDs, whoever puts their email IDs, I will be sending our whole email presentation to you all, which includes the financial model, which includes this presentation, which includes the full menu, the awards we've got till now, and some of the reviews of our franchisees. जो franchisee business में है हमारे साथ में, उनका पूरा review भी हम इसमें डालेंगे. So yeah, I would be